So what are you guys doing?
Hershey. Hershey.
What
We're building a little nap.
For
We're
who?
building a little nap out of high top. Yeah. We're building a nap out of high top.
It seems like he likes it. I think he's excited to play with you guys.
A little light.
Okay. Hey, Cup, how's your nest?
And close the curtain.
Oh, look, he got out. Well, he went back in.
Okay. There. Oh, he got out. No, he wasn't.
Don't squish him. Don't squish him. He's just a baby.
Daddy, but...
Gentle, he's just a baby. He's a little bit scared. Okay, give him some space. Give him some space. Riz, back off. Riz, back off. Give him some space. He's okay.
Back off.
You're okay, baby. Dak, gentle.
Keeps me from...
Wow. Hey Cup has a very nice nest. Oh, wow. Are you going to do your London Bridge now?
Yeah. Time for London Bridge.
Don't crash, baby. No somersaults.
Okay, get it out.
Good job.